Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by grinding fresh beans to a consistent medium fine. You measure a 1:16 coffee to water ratio and heat filtered water to 92-96 degrees. Once ready, wet the grounds for a 30-45 second bloom to release CO2. This improves even extraction. After the bloom, pour steadily in concentric circles to saturate all grounds. Make sure to stop when the target weight is reached, so you prevent under- or over-extraction that ruins flavor. Once extraction starts, you focus on control. You tune grind size in small 0.5 clicks, finer for more body, coarser for brightness. This balances acidity and bitterness. Make sure your total brew time fits the method, about 5 to 4 minutes, so soluble flavors extract properly. Stir or gently agitate once mid-brew to eliminate dry pockets and prevent channeling, which causes uneven taste. Pay attention to flow rate and adjust next brew based on whether it tasted. You finish by decanting and letting the coffee cool a bit so sweetness and aromatics reveal themselves. Very hot cups hide nuance. Once served, taste and note dose, grind, brew time, and water temp so you can iterate. If the cup is bitter, make the next grind coarser or lower the water temperature. If it's sour or thin, go finer or extend contact time. One key troubleshooting tip: change only one variable per brew so you know exactly what improved or broke the cup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.